Jeez. Oh. So here's the MX6000 that I built. So this bike I built especially for the trail. So it's not super fast, but there is a whole lot of torque to it. So I have a 80-tooth sprocket on the rear. The front sprockets are 11-tooth each. I have two Kelly controllers that have a peak output of, I believe it's 140 amps. There's two 150 amp breakers there. I have three of the LiPo 20 amp hour 22.2 volt batteries in series. Fully charged, it's about 75 volts. Those are the 3000 watt 60 volt electric motors, and those are 72 volt controllers, so who knows what's going to go on there. More power. I made the seat more comfortable. I put an LED light, so I have just a toggle here, and then I have on and off there telling me my voltage. I have a 230 millimeter or 9-inch suspension there. Right now I have the factory braking system, which I definitely have to upgrade in the future. So the way I have the rear motor here mounted, so I cut this metal plate out, welded it. I have another metal rod here going down, welded it there, and then over here with the chain system, these two are actually connected together, supporting it, and this is actually welded to the chain tensioner here that's actually welded to the frame. This one still has this the spring attached to it, so it goes like this. So this pulls this way, goes this way, and then around the sprocket. And yeah, I have the twist throttle there. So I'm gonna show you guys how this thing rides. This is the first time I'm riding it with that 82 sprocket. I had a 55-tooth sprocket on there before, but we're gonna see how it rides. Jesus. Oh, it's so fast. Which isn't anything crazy, but you feel like you're going pretty fast on something this small. I don't really want it to go that much faster because this is mostly for the trails, and I don't want to be hitting big rocks. This isn't for the street that I'm using this one for, so that's fine with me. All right, so this thing is crazy. There's so much torque that right before you hit top speed, it will literally pick up the front tire. So if you're going top speed and you stop and you gun it, you're fine. But if you're going any lower and you gun it, it will literally lift up on you. Like 26 miles an hour is probably, it will lift up. Easy. Like it's so torquey, it's crazy. Oh my God, this thing is crazy. Jeez. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Whew. Oh. Oh. That thing is ridiculous. Oh, my butt. Yo, this is not your son's normal Razor dirt bike right here. This is ridiculous. Oh. I have other stuff that I'm working on, you know, so stay tuned if you want to check some other stuff out. I have another version of this just with the 3000 watt motor, with 6 of the seal lead acid batteries, weigh a lot more. Can't get it that much current from them, drawn current, but that one rips. That one probably does about 40 the way that I have that one tuned, and I'll show you that one too. All right, I'll see you guys later.